How to log in Lloyds Credit Card account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. Start by opening up any web browser and go to lloydsbank.com. Then on this website, you want to click on the Log On button. Once you click on this option, you can choose between your personal account or your business account. Select the account type. I'm going to select the personal account. And once you're here, you have to enter your credentials. So here, enter your user ID, then enter your password. Additionally, you can check the box that says remember my user ID if you don't want to enter your credentials again. If you're using a shared computer, then uncheck that box. In case you have forgotten your login details, you can click on this link, then click on the continue option. And you will be logged into your account if all your details are correct. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.